Plant these 10 awesome crops in August. Start now. Welcome back, garden lovers. August may feel like the summer heat is ending, but trust me, it's the perfect time to plant certain crops that will give you a rich harvest in the coming months. Today, I'll share 10 amazing crops you can plant right now in August, whether you have a backyard, terrace, or small pots. Spinach fast-growing and loaded with nutrients. Plant spinach seeds now, and you can start harvesting in just 30 days. Keep the soil moist for tender leaves. Carrots. August planting means sweet, crisp carrots in autumn. Loosen the soil well so the roots can grow long and healthy. Radishes love the late summer warmth and mature quickly in 3 to 4 weeks. Perfect for quick results. Beetroot. Beautiful red roots and edible leaves. 2 harvests in one plant. Make sure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight. Lettuce cooler August nights are perfect for tender lettuce leaves. Go for loose leaf varieties for continuous picking. Beans, bush beans, or climbing beans both grow fast in August warmth and will keep producing till frost. Cauliflower plant now for a late autumn harvest. They love the cooling temperatures that follow August. Broccoli, another cool season crop that thrives if started now. Rich in vitamins and perfect for winter meals. Coriander cilantro, easy to grow and quick to sprout. Ideal for adding fresh flavour to your dishes all season long. Garlic plant cloves in August, and they'll develop strong roots before winter. Harvest next summer for big, tasty bulbs. So there you have it. 10 awesome crops to plant in August for a continuous supply of fresh, homegrown food. Start today, and your future self will thank you when you're harvesting these beauties. Happy gardening!